Good morning, students. This is Mr. Cruz, your 7th grade math teacher. So today we'll be reviewing writing fractions in simplest form. So in this lesson, I will be showing you, or actually re-showing you, 3 ways to simplify the fractions. Let's look at number 1. First one says 6 over 30. So if I'm going to do that, 6 over 30, the most basic one that you or a lot of us will do will say, I know that 6 and 30 has a GCF of 6, so I'll divide them, both of them, by 6. So if you go do that, that's 6 divided by 6 is 1. 30 divided by 6 is 5. That's the first one. That's using the GCF. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there, and then now I will erase that. Let's do method number 2. Method number 2 is what I call constant division. So what will happen is, let's say 6 over 30. Let's say you don't know the GCF. What you could do is, I know they're both even numbers, so I could divide them by 2 each. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 30 divided by 2 is 15. Now, if you look at it, that's 3 over 15. Now, using your multiplication table, you know that it can still be divided by 3. Now, you have 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. Same as the answer earlier. Okay, that's method number 2, division or continuous division. The last one. I know your former teachers taught you this. This is what you call prime numbers. Oops, let me fix that. That is method number 3. So what am I talking about here? So looking at number 6, your numerator, I'm going to do that as I'm going to use a prime factor or a factor tree. If you think about 6, the prime factors of 6 are 2 times 3. Both of them are prime factors, so I need to circle that. They're both prime. So now, where do I put that? I'm going to put those two over there. That's going to be 2 times 3. That will equal to 6. Now let's look at the denominator right there. 30. I will do the same thing. So let me see. I could think of factors, but the first thing that I'm thinking about is 5 times 6. If you look at 5 times 6, 5 is a prime factor, although 6 is not. So I need to break down that composite number into prime numbers. That will be 3 times 2, and those numbers are now prime. Now I'm going to put that over here. I'm going to put the numbers in the circle. 5 times 3 times 2. That's 30 coming from this side right here. Now, to do the last step, I need to look at the common factors on top and at the bottom. So if you'll notice, you have 3 and 3. That's 3 divided by 3 is 1. And then there's the same 2 right there. 2 divided by 2 is also 1. If you simplify that, I will use a different color. That's going to be 1 times 1 on the numerator. 1 times 1, that's going to be 1. And then 5 times 1 times 1 is 5. That's your simplest form.